How is mitochondrial DNA inherited uniquely? Imagine a family tree where only one branch holds the key to your mitochondrial secrets. That's because mitochondrial DNA is inherited in a way that's quite different from most genes. Every cell in your body contains hundreds or even thousands of tiny powerhouses called mitochondria. Each of these mitochondria has its own small, circular piece of DNA, separate from the DNA in the nucleus. When a woman has a baby, her egg cell supplies all the mitochondria and their DNA. The sperm, on the other hand, contributes only nuclear DNA, not mitochondrial DNA. During the development of sperm cells, the mitochondria lose their DNA, and any remaining mitochondria from the sperm are usually destroyed after fertilization. This means that the mitochondria in the baby come solely from the mother. So, the mitochondrial DNA you carry is passed down only through your mother's line. This pattern of inheritance is called maternal inheritance. It's different from nuclear DNA, which comes from both parents. Because mitochondrial DNA is inherited only from the mother, it stays mostly unchanged across generations. This makes it useful for tracing maternal lineage and family history. Mutations in mitochondrial DNA happen just like in nuclear DNA, but their transmission is different. During the formation of an egg, the number of mitochondrial DNA copies is greatly reduced in a process called the mitochondrial bottleneck. Only a small sample of the mother's mitochondrial DNA makes it into each egg. This means some mutations may be passed on, while others are not, depending on which mitochondrial copies are included. If a woman has a mitochondrial disorder caused by mutations in her mitochondrial DNA, all her children are at risk of inheriting it. But if a man has such a disorder, he cannot pass it to his children because his mitochondria are not transmitted through sperm. Understanding this unique inheritance pattern helps explain why some health conditions appear only on the mother's side. It also guides genetic testing, focusing on maternal relatives when looking for mitochondrial disorders. Knowing how mitochondrial DNA is passed down helps families understand their health risks and history better. In essence, mitochondrial DNA is inherited only from the mother, making it a special part of our genetic blueprint. This pattern influences how hereditary health conditions are passed and how we trace family history through generations.